Today at Garfin's Creation, let's make this simple chicken sausage chops. It's a very tasty appetizer and very simple to make. The recipe is mentioned in the description box below. So let's start. To begin with, I've taken some chicken sausage. This is cheese and onion flavored sausages. You can use any flavored sausages here, even the simple plain ones or even the spicy ones will do. We'll begin by steaming the sausages so that we do not have to cook them much later. So I'll just add the sausages into a steamer and steam them for around 5 minutes. It is best to steam them as they will retain the flavor and still be cooked. So after 5 minutes of steaming, I'll just take them out onto a plate and then cut it into smaller pieces. You can also use a smaller size of sausages that are available. I will just cut them into 2 pieces. Depending on the size of the sausages you have used, you can cut them to any size of your choice. We'll keep this aside for some time and prepare the potato covering. For this I have boiled 5 large potatoes and will also be using half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and around 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. I will now grate all the potatoes into a bowl and then be adding all the ingredients into it. You can adjust the quantity of the red chili flakes depending on the type of sausage you have used. You can make the chicken sausage chops ahead of time. You can prepare the chicken sausage chops and keep it in the freezer and use it whenever you want to. All you have to do is just get it out from the freezer and fry them directly in the hot oil. Once I have mixed this well, we'll start preparing the chops. To coat the sausage chops, I've also beaten up 1 egg here. To coat the chops, I'll also be using 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. These are homemade breadcrumbs and I'll put the link for it in the description box below. I'll just mix once more the potato mixture with my hands so that it gets into a nice soft dough just for a few seconds. And I will be greasing my hands with little oil to prepare the chops. Then taking a portion of the potato mixture, I will just squeeze it tight and then roll it into an oval shape. Flatten it a little bit and then place a piece of the sausage that we had steamed and kept aside. Now cover the sausage piece well with the potato mixture from all the sides. Make sure to seal it well and then we will just roll it once more to give it a good shape. Once you're happy with the shape, just dip it into the egg and coat it well with the egg. Next we'll be coating it with the breadcrumbs. Just for this demo, I'm doing one with the whole process, but you can definitely prepare all the chops and then dip it all in the eggs and the breadcrumbs in one go. After coating the chops well with the breadcrumbs, I will just press it lightly so that the breadcrumbs stick to the chops. And I will prepare all of this in the same way. Once these are all done, I will keep it in the fridge for at least half an hour to 1 hour to get nice and firm. You can also keep them in the freezer and fry them directly whenever you want to. After the chops have got nice and firm, I'll just heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil and heat that as well. I will be shallow frying the sausage chops. As everything is almost cooked in this won't take a long time. I will be just frying it for around 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame and also flipping them so that they get a nice brown color on all the sides. After keeping the sausage chops in the fridge to get firm, I have directly put them into the hot oil. Not waited for them to come to room temperature. So I'll keep flipping them till they get a nice brown color on all sides. Once fried, take them out of the oil and place them on a kitchen tissue paper. So I'll continue frying all of these in the same way. These taste best when served hot. You can serve them with any of your favorite dips or even tomato ketchup or even Szechuan chutney will taste good. So let me cut one and show you how it looks from inside as well. I hope you like this simple video of chicken sausage chops. Do try it out and leave your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.